Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get 100% comfort in Rust. So make sure to have some fires around, so it will do like furnace or campfire. After that, place a couple rugs. It doesn't even matter if it is beer or whatever rug, but this is one little hidden trick. If you put the rug beer and you stand next to beer head right here, you can get 100% comfort with only one rug beer, and that's pretty much it. And if you stand right here next to the furnace, just on the rug, you will get comfort too. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just use one beer rug like this, stand next to the head, and you'll get 100% comfort. So if this video is helpful, please make sure to comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.